Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I was working on trying to build a box for the shifter, like the center console and all, but I ran into a little issue. When I went to put in the cable, the little plastic thing in there that holds it on broke into 1,000 pieces. It was dry rotted, I guess, and now I gotta find a new one, or I have to fabricate something that'll do the job instead. So instead of doing that today, I worked on the front. I put the vacuum line for the brake booster on. That was fairly easy, and I grabbed this cable that was going here. This goes to the ECU. So I pulled out as much as I could so I can bring it down up to here, and then I have to lengthen the wires to go all the way across to the other side of the firewall. And once I got that done, I started messing around. I put in my my power steering pump. I managed to fabricate a little piece. I don't know if you can see it down there. This here, that the hose will come to and take the water out of take the power steering fluid out of the reservoir to feed the power steering pump. And I also started working, as you can see, on fitting some radiator hoses, which this one was fairly easy to make. And excuse me. And this one's a little harder because it has two different sizes from the engine to this side of the radiator. It is two different sizes, so I gotta figure out what to do, how to connect them together, or maybe you get lucky and find one that's already made online somewhere. And last but not least, I got my transmission cooler in here. It's just sitting there. I need to make some holding brackets, some mounts on there for either side to hold it in. Hopefully she'll cool down enough like that. This won't be a really big, this won't haul anything, so it should be fine. And the next step, until I get all my until I get the stuff to put the wire on, the cable on the shifter, will be working on these wires and trying to figure out what color goes to what. And I guess I'll be spending a lot of time online trying to figure out the colors, what they do, where they go. But besides that, it's kind of fun to do. There's nothing else better to do than to fix stuff yourself. So I'll keep you posted. And so thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Okay, thanks. Bye.